What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to re-clear carbon fiber parts, especially if you guys have like carbon fiber hoods that look really bad like this one. This one's actually one of my buddies, so I'm going to be re-clearing this for him. Look at all this oxidation, guys. It looks somewhat decent right here, and then as you go down here the whole hood looks white. Like, what the hell? It even sounds bad. Today I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this. It's super easy if you guys have the room and tools. If you're trying to re-clear your carbon fiber parts and you've never done this before, it could be a little challenge, but don't worry, that's why I'm making today's video, to show you guys step by step. So let me show you guys what tools you're going to need. The first step on re-clearing your carbon fiber part is to sand down the actual part, and for this project I'm going to be using 500 grit wet sandpaper along with 1500. Towards the end, after you sand the whole thing with 500, get yourself a bucket of water and dip in all your sandpaper in there. Cut them up into little pieces, that way you don't have a big sheet. And then from there, start sanding away the hood. Start sanding, getting off all the oxidation. And then once in a while, I just throw some water on there. And this is pretty much how the carbon should look after you spray the clear coat. Most of the times when we get freshly new carbon fiber parts, we don't re-clear them because they already look brand new, because they are brand new. But the thing is that these manufacturers don't add clear coat to carbon fiber pieces. These pieces have this thing called gel coat, which only lasts about a year if it sits straight out in the sun, and that's with you taking care of it, like let's say adding waxes and just, you know, keeping it out of the sun. It'll typically last about a year before it starts looking really bad. By sanding this down, cleaning it up, and adding 2 to 3 coats of clear, it should be good for another 5 or 6 years straight out in the sun without fading. Alright guys, I did some more sanding this morning. Got the hood all done. Check it out. Got everything sanded down. So this is where I'm going to spray the hood. It's all ready to be sprayed. Just going to wipe it down really quick with some alcohol, making sure that all my fingerprints are off. I'm excited to see this hood get restored. This thing looked pretty bad actually. So your first coat of clear is always going to be a light coat. You don't want to go on too heavy. Wait 10 minutes in between coats, followed up by the second and third coat, which can be a lot heavier. Just make sure you guys don't drip. But yeah, this thing's coming out really nice. Check it out, it's already looking shiny. But I am going to add 2 more coats just because I know I went really light on this one. Come on in, man.
You vlogging? What video are you shooting?
Yeah, I'm doing both.
Oh, you're making one?
I'm making a video though.
Of the hood too?
Dude, here's this shit. In case you want to record. Fucked up your hood, man.
You fucked it up?
God damn it.
Damn. He owes me a new hood.
Damn. We'll see what he thinks. You see all the little dust? There's a little dust there. Yes. But we can easily fix that. But I kind of want to color sand your whole hood. That way it looks like glass. 2000 grit sandpaper, and then I polish it.
That won't like cut through the clear coat?
No, that's just to get like all the little dust off.
Okay.
Like if you touch it, you can touch it right here a little bit. It's already smooth. But I just shot it like 2-3 hours ago.
It looks so much better.